Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brandon Lester Fishing. Man, I'm excited this morning. I am the only boat at the boat ramp, as you can see. And right here is one of my favorite lakes within a couple of hours of my house. This is Smith Lake. Man, I love this lake. I've had some good success in tournaments here. I live about an hour and a half from here, and I don't fish over here a ton, but I love coming over here in the wintertime. We've had some big rains. The water's a little bit dirty, and I heard a little birdie told me that they were biting a crankbait good over here. I've got a real good friend that lives right over here next to this boat ramp I'm putting in at, Tim Arnold. He's actually going to come put in, or come get in the boat with me here in a little bit, so you guys will get to meet him. And we're gonna go do some fun fishing today. Probably throw a crankbait a good bit, may throw a spinnerbait a little bit, may flip a jig a little bit, but it's gonna be a fun one. Y'all stay tuned. I didn't even have time to get my dang, Lord have mercy. First cast, largemouth. All right, I gotta get in there. It's a chunky one, ain't he? Good night, he ate it too. Uh-oh. Oh! I pulled it away from him. Gosh dang it. He's chunky. We'll catch something. We'll catch something bigger than that. No way. My plug ain't diving deep enough. I can see that already. I got one too. That's a good spot right there. You just knew the cast, that's all it was. I didn't know the cast, but that's all right, I got it now. Choked it. We're gonna live well some, but I think we can do better than that. That's a nice one though. Gosh, that one got it. Feeling it this morning. I would say there's a few of them up there. Ain't got time for no bunch of talking when they're biting like this. Yeah, I need to change my, ooh, I seen that one. Pretty good largemouth right there, I think. Yeah. He ain't big as I thought. He's a nice one. He ain't as big as I thought. I mean, he's a nice one, but.
I got it.
Yeah. Oh, eat it. That's something on my bait. He's hooked under the chin. He was trying to pin it to the bottom, so it was. That's why you miss them sometimes. There he is.
That's 3 over 15, I'm sure.
This one's pretty strong, but these spots you can't tell how big they are. It may be hooked funny too. Yeah, he's just hooked funny. Come here. You ain't near as bad as you think you are. Another nice one. There he is. Oh. Well, I can't tell, you know, God, it's hard to tell them dang spotted bass. He ain't bad. He ain't barely hooked too. I mean barely. He's probably gonna come off, but I'm gonna try. Whew. By the hair of his chinny chin. I sat in there and put them triple grips on. Good thing I did. Got him. Uh-oh. That one's got shoulders. Jeez. That looked like a good one.
Oh, it is.
Oh, yeah.
Large one.
Yep. God, he got it sideways, too. We're going to capture him for a little while. Get us a good picture. He's skinny.
What size?
That side right there. Yeah. I'll capture him for just a little while. Get us a good picture and we'll put him back. There he is. I might have had to steal one of your plugs, but I got one. Oh my God, I got two. Oh, the big one came off, dude. I ain't lying. There was a freaking 4-pounder stuck on the front hook. I had him for a second and he came off. Well, he was twice as big as this one.
Oh.
I swear, you might be able to see it in the video. I hope you can. Dang, that's freaking awesome. I got to get back in there. Thing I'm doing, I would guess. Everything.
One got it off.
It popped off and he got it. He was sitting there staring at it, waiting for it to do something different, wasn't he? Yeah. There's a giant school of them right up here in front of us if I can get to them in time. Looks like there's some spots mixed in them. Jeez, I just seen one come up and roll. It was huge.
I guarantee you there'll be some spots. Oh, you got swim baits hanging right there.
We're in them now. Ought to be getting bit. Well, I mean about 6-8 foot. There's only, I just got a bite.
I'm like you, I don't know how they're smart enough to see that wire. This water's kind of dirty.
There's so many of them. Uh-oh. I got a big one. Look at all of them under us. That is unreal. I got a real one this time. Jeez. One finally hit the A-rig, didn't he?
Yeah.
He couldn't stand it. He had to have it. Gosh. This is a pretty good battle right here. 7-pound braid, 8-pound leader, 610 medium light. I'm definitely underpowered. Cast out there again. Look at all of them. Gosh. This thing right here. I must have a 12 or 15 pounder on here. He give me a fit, I know that. I ought to take his butt home, make fish tacos out of him. What I ought to do. I ain't even seen him yet. Uh-oh. Oh gosh, you ain't got real big line. Well, you got 20, I think, maybe 17. Oh, I don't do no drag, bro. No, I don't do no drag. You better push the button.
You don't use any drag?
No, I don't use no drag. Well, I see mine. He's a good one. Yeah, he's a pretty nice one. Jeez, what a head on that thing. He's pretty good.
He's 20, you know, close to it.
Yeah, he's pretty good. Come here. There you go. Uh-huh. Look at that.
We're good on fry.
That song is about as long as my leg. Look at that. Golly. All right, boy. Get on back in there. All right, here's the ones we caught that were picture worthy. No giants, but we caught some good ones. Put them back. Ow, he bit me. Goes that largemouth. He's gonna jump. Shoot, yeah, that was fun. All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap it up for this week, man. That was a fun day. I just got home. I'm going an hour and a half away from home. It makes for a good long day, but it's all good because it was fun. It was worth it. We caught some really nice fish today. Caught a lot of fish. No giants, but anytime I can catch them shallow cranking like that, that's what I want to do this time of year. You know, like I was saying in the intro to the video, we've had a lot of rain and those fish were really up shallow. What we keyed on today, I wanted to show you my crankbaits and my setups just a little bit, was mostly points. There's a lot of fish on points on Smith right now. And for the most part, most of the fish we caught were on points. A couple of different crankbaits that we caught them on. I started out, this is actually a prototype crankbait. I'm working on this this particular crankbait, and I'll tell you guys a lot more about it later on as I can. But it's a good looking little crankbait, most definitely. It's got a circuit board bill in it. It's kind of a wide bait, but it's got a fairly tight little wobble. I feel like it's a profile and a wobble that's a whole lot like a crawfish. And that sucker definitely gets bit. I mean, you can see it's got some battle scars on it from today. I had size number 4 mustad. That's the KVD Elite triple grips. And then on that little bit deeper stuff, we caught some on a demon colored DT10 too. You know, that's definitely a staple anywhere you go pretty much this time of the year on into, say, March. But throwing that on a 7-foot and a 7.6, my Mustad Instinct Signature Series crankbait rod, 7'6" on the DT10 and 7-foot cranking rod on my on the little square bill right there. But just wanted to dial y'all in a little bit on baits. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. That was a fun day. Remember, they're always biting somewhere. And if you hadn't, hit that subscribe button. Thank y'all. I'll see you next time.